Ladies and gents, Razziigrows, welcome back to the channel. And today we got some goodies we're gonna be unboxing. Every day's Christmas over here. Know what I'm saying? I think, oh, somebody tried getting into the package. What's going on here? Oh man. First up first. Open up the little one first. See what we got here. Drum roll, please. So we got the Motis Mini. There we go. This will allow to turn your car into a passive income producing machine. It lets you mine crypto while you drive. Yep, so that's that. The Motis Mini. Swordchain.com. You know, we got some sponsor stickers and whatnot. We ready to go. And what's next in line? Alright, we'll do this one, I guess. So this one right here. I think I got one of the sickest mustache out there. Mustache gang. Razziigrows. Let's go. So over here we got a muffler for the Bitcoin mining. However, how this works. So I will install it in a few, but I guess it's to make the machine a little bit quieter. So we'll see how that works. So yeah, that's that. And I guess we're gonna save the best for last. I'm gonna open up this box. And we got another demo miner, and we got also some more sponsor stickers. No, I'm just kidding, this video is not sponsored, but hey, maybe one day. So yeah, so we get a demo miner. This also lets your car mine passive crypto. Demo, however you want to pronounce it, whatever. I just know that Razziigrows got it. Now the previous two that I had, I sold on eBay, but I'm gonna keep this one, and I am gonna put these both to work. So stay tuned, like and subscribe. Razziigrows. This is it for today's unboxing. Every day's Christmas over here. Peace.